Hello everyone, salutations. How are you? I hope you are well. It is very early in the morning here, and that is why I am as chipper as I am. Also, I'm coming off of like filming 3 videos in one sitting, so you know, if this makeup look looks the same, that's why. Anyways, so today I want to talk about my hair extensions because I've been trying to get this video filmed and uploaded and edited and all that good stuff. So the hair that I'm wearing right now is from a company called Full Shine. The website is fullshine.net. I think I will leave it down in the description box. This is not a sponsored video. They did not send me the hair, like nothing, okay? This is all me. So anyway, so originally I found them on Amazon, and I ordered 6 boxes of hair because I was basing it off of how many packs of hair I needed for the install I had back in July. And since this hair is a lot thicker, did not need that much hair. Right now I have about 80 pieces in, which equals about 40 sandwiches, so I think 4 boxes, give or take 1 or 2. So I like to keep a 5th box on hand just in case I decide to go a little above 80, because normally I go about 85. So, and like I said, I had 6 boxes, so I was just like, you know, I'm gonna fit as much as I can in here the original time. So I still had a box left over for this install. Anyways, couple things. So this second time that I placed the order, I ordered it directly from the Full Shine website. The first time I ordered it from Amazon. So when I ordered it from Full Shine, like the hair was a little bit cheaper, but delivery was trash. Okay, if I'm being honest, delivery was trash because I placed the order on December the 9th, which there was reason for it. They have to recreate the texture. So if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that the reason I stopped wearing fusion extensions is because it is almost impossible to find a seller that will like create that texture, the kinky straight texture of hair. So when I found this texture on Amazon and it was tape-ins, I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a shot. So I gave it a shot back in October, loved them, so I placed a second order. So that's the story of how I found tape-in extensions, and these tape-in extensions specifically. So I placed this order on December the 9th, and the hair shipped in 2 batches because, like I said, they told me they had to recreate the texture, which kind of confused me because I was just like, if you have the hair available on Amazon in 2 days, like, why do you have to recreate the hair? So I was a little confused about that, but I wasn't gonna, like, I had already paid for it and everything, so I was just like, just ship the hair when you can. So I got my 16-inch hair on December the 27th, and then I got my 14-inch hair, which I guess they would have shipped the same had everything been ready, but there was a color difference in the 14-inch was what I was told, and they were really good about communicating. It's just, like I said, the shipping was just a really long time because I was basing it on the Amazon shipping when I shouldn't have. So anyway, so I didn't get my 14-inch until January the 3rd. So I've had these in for about 3 weeks at this point. I think 3 weeks today, and I've washed my hair once. In washing it, I had about 5 extensions come out, and I think I have them, yeah. So they are here in this box, and some of my extensions I actually cut in half so that I could get closer to the perimeter of my face, and I quartered some to try and get even closer to the perimeter of my face. That's a long story, and I think I go into it in this video, but if I don't, if you have questions, I will. But anyway, so this is what the box looks like that the hair comes in, and they ship 2 packs per box, I'm assuming, or maybe they would ship more, I don't know, but mine had 2 packs per box. So this is the hair I had left over. This is what the hair looks like when it comes in the packaging, and this is what the hair looked like from Amazon too. The only difference that I noticed is that the Full Shine from the company is a black box, the Full Shine from Amazon is a pink box. So I don't think there's any other difference. I haven't noticed the difference in the hair texture, but anyway, so this is what the hair looks like. And then once you like open it, of course, you have the tapes inside of it. So I actually opened this one today because like I said, I washed my hair a couple of days ago, and so I was flat ironing my hair, and I decided to put a couple more in just to, like, I don't know, just to do something with it. So this is what I have left over, which is 20, not quite 40 extensions for the next install that I do. But then I also have some hair left over from the last install, because this hair is reusable. So quality of the hair, amazing. It's super soft, super full, bouncy. Like, it looks so natural. I'm gonna turn so you guys can see. So I actually just filmed a curling hair tutorial. So that's what this did. But I curled my hair for New Year's Eve, and the hair stayed curled for a whole week. And I used a flat iron to curl my hair at that time, so it stayed curled for a whole week, which I was very impressed with, because I was just like, you know, the first time I curled the hair, like, it just like fell like instantly. But then when I used the flat iron and I turned the temperature up a little more, because I realized thicker hair, you've got to use a higher temperature, the curl stayed. So definitely like it. What else? I'm sorry, like, I don't know if I told y'all yet or not, but it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, or 2:30, and I'm trying to remember everything so that I don't have to refilm this video. But I don't have any shedding, any tangling. As far as comparing these to the fusion extensions, there's pros and cons to both of them. One pro I would say to these over fusion extensions is, like, sometimes fusion extensions can look really piecey, like very strand by strand by strand. Like, I can't explain. You can see little bundles of hair, and with this, it's really, like, because it's a actual weft of hair, it makes your hair look fuller with less work. So I don't know if that makes sense. I hope it does. It does in my head, but I don't know. So I talked about the delivery. I talked about Amazon. So they do sell it on Amazon, and they sell it on fullshine.net. I'll link both of them down below in case you're interested in trying the hair out. As far as install time, I would say it's probably about the same. Like, once you get used to doing them, it's probably about the same. And in this video, you guys are lucky, because my sister was not here to help me, so I ended up having to install the back of my head by myself. So you guys are lucky, because you get to see that in this video, or how you can install extensions by yourself in the back of your head and their tape ends. Because that was one thing that I didn't see a lot of on YouTube. It was just, you know, like, how you can install the back by yourself. Now, I want to preface all of this with saying I am not a professional. I've just been doing this to my head for a long time, so I know what I like, I know what works for me, and I adjust accordingly. I advise you to do the same if you're not going to go to a professional and have them do it for you. So install time is about the same. I would probably say maybe 4 hours if I was gonna give it a time frame, but that's just because I put so many in. If you're not gonna go as dramatic as I did, it's not gonna take you nearly as long. But like I said, I went from like shoulder length, like, you know, like neck length hair, to it's probably like, it probably hits like here, like below brush up length when it's straight. So, because like I said, I ended up cutting off some of the 18-inch hair because it was just looking so choppy. Like, I wasn't a fan. So anyways, shedding, no tangling. I like it. The great thing about this hair is the longevity, is you can reuse it. So once you take these extensions out, once you take the extensions out, take the tape off of them, and then what you can do is actually, like, once you wash the hair and everything, you can retape them with new tape and reinstall them. So you can keep using the hair over and over and over again until you basically decide to stop. So I like that part about it, because, you know, I do like that you get that option to reuse hair. And I don't know if I say the price or not. I talked about delivery. So for price, the hair, originally I bought 6 boxes of hair from Amazon. And it's like a hair cheaper on the website, which you can look at the differences. And they were also running a sale on the website, which is why I placed my order with them the second time. But the 14-inch hair is $30.99, and the 16-inch hair is $35.69. So I don't know the math, but it ended up being like $170 maybe. I don't know, maybe. No, that's not right. It might have been like 117. I don't know, but I ordered 4 boxes of hair because I already had one here. So that was why I did that. And what else? Uninstall process is really easy. So basically I ordered this from Amazon, and I was using a C22 solvent, but I felt like that was really harsh, so I decided to order this right here. And it's from Big Kizzy Hair. It's the Release and Reuse, and it comes with 2 removers. So basically you like spray this in your hair, and it basically makes the extension not sticky, so you can take it out, and then it whatever it's on it comes out, and then it gets sticky again. I don't know how to explain it, but it does. And then the second one is the remover, so it's 2 steps. I just used this one because I just need to take the extension out and I wasn't going to replace it. But this will actually like remove the residue from your hair, so that I think that's what you do. You spray this one in your hair to like get the tape residue out. They come out so easy, y'all. Like if you're not going to reuse the hair, you could just put coconut oil like all over your head, and basically what it would do is just make the extensions slide right out. They just slide right out, legit. That's what I did last time because I knew I was going to be ordering new hair, so I just put I just doused my head in coconut oil. You rub it at the extension tape to kind of work it between the tapes, and then it just like butter. Okay, like butter. Anyways, I've talked long enough. This video itself is going to be pretty long, so grab some coffee, a snack, a soda, whatever you want to grab, because I want it to be as in-depth as possible in this video. And I think I have footage of me showing you how to retape extensions, so if I do, that will be in here as well. But I don't know, because I edited the video and then all the footage disappeared, so now I've got to go re-find some of the footage from the first time I filmed this. Anyways, I love you guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up so I know to keep doing videos like this. If you have any questions about extensions, whether they're fusion or tape-in or whatever, leave them down below in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you, and enjoy the video. this side of my head and I finished this side. I left the middle empty. I know I said I was gonna do a side part, but I'm kind of like not sure what I want to do right now, so I think I'm just gonna wait and not put any extensions in the center of my head at all until I can figure out what it is exactly I'm going for. But the front of my head has been done, so what I'm going to do is just kind of pull this all up to the front, and I need a clip so that I can clip it up. But I'm going to show you guys. So this part is done up here. This all still has to be done. It has to be flat ironed. It has to be and stitches installed. So it's gonna be a little while, you know. Yeah, it's gonna be a little while.